Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit your baby shower website template. To begin, let me walk you through everything that is included in your website. The template contains 3 pages: envelope page, invitation page, RSVP page. When your guests click on the envelope, they will be taken to the invitation page. On the invitation page, you can display all of your event details. Guests can click on the location link to open Google Maps for directions to the venue. They can also click the RSVP button, which will take them directly to the RSVP form where they can submit their response. If you have added a gift registry, guests can click the store button to view your registry and shop for gifts. Now let's get started and learn how to customize each section of your website. Some elements in your magazine may be locked. This is done to keep the design properly aligned and make it easier for you to edit without accidentally moving important parts. If you want to edit a locked element, you can easily unlock it. Simply click on the element and tap the lock option twice. Once it's unlocked, you'll be able to move, edit, or customize it as needed. To lock an element again, just select it and tap lock. Now, let's edit the text. Select any text you would like to change. Once selected, look at the white toolbar at the top of your screen. From there, you can customize the text by changing the font style, font size, and font color. You can also change the text animation by clicking on the Animate option in the toolbar and selecting the animation style you would like to use. To update the map, open Google Maps. Search for your venue. Click Share and copy the link. Then return to Canva. Select the text and click Edit Link. Right-click inside the link field and choose Select All. Right-click again and select Paste to replace the existing link with your own. You can also use the keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+A to select all, and Ctrl+V to paste your new link. Once you're finished, click Done to save your changes. The same steps apply when adding your registry links. Select the registry text, click Edit Link, and replace the existing link with your own registry link. Once you have added your link, click Done to save your changes. Preview your website to make sure everything is working correctly. Test all buttons, links to ensure they direct your guests to the correct pages and that all of your information is displayed properly. Make sure to check how your website looks on both desktop and mobile devices. When previewing your design, don't forget to turn on Resize for mobile to ensure everything displays properly on smaller screens. Review your text, images, buttons, and spacing to make sure your website looks great and functions correctly on all devices. Now let's customize the RSVP form. Select the RSVP form and click Edit. From here, you can fully customize your questions. You can choose which questions are required, add new questions, duplicate existing questions, or delete any that you don't need. For multiple choice questions, you can also add new options, as well as duplicate or delete existing options to match your needs. Test RSVP. I'll submit a test RSVP response now so you can see how guest responses appear. To view responses, select the RSVP form and click on Responses. You can view all submissions by clicking View Responses. Link responses to a sheet and rename the sheet for better organization. When you're ready to make your website live, click the Publish Website button. Choose your website URL and then click Publish again to make your website available to your guests. To get your shareable website link, click Share, then select Website. Next, right-click on the website URL and select Copy Link. For easy access later, save the link in your notes so you can quickly share it with your guests whenever needed. In the Publish settings, you can add password protection, enable search engine visibility, and the social media link preview. You can change your title as well. When you are done, click Continue to Publish, then Publish Changes. If you need to change your domain, you can do this in your profile settings. Click on your profile picture and go to Settings, then select Web Domains. From there, click View, then choose Edit to update your domain. Keep in mind that any changes you make to your domain may take some time to fully update across the system. That's it! Your wedding website invitation is now ready to share with your guests. Thanks for watching and happy planning!